Morning, morning, morning. Crispy bat, brand new lock just been delivered. It's an Am-Tech, Am-Tech rhombic chrome plated padlock, long shackle. I did see somewhere it's got some mushroom pins. There we are. Says it on the actual mushroom pin tumblers. I saw it on eBay. It was a couple of quid, so I thought I would give it a go. Anyway, let's open it up. Okay, there we have it. Sort of plastic out, so we've got some sort of stainless steel, perhaps, inside. Don't know. Who knows? We've got a brass core anyway. That we do know. And there's the keyway. So fairly large keyway. Enough space to work in anyway. Which makes a nice change. And we've got these keys. I'll just show you the bit here. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. I think it is, yeah. Okay. Not too crazy actually. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay, not a lot to say about this, let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm going to go top of the keyway. It seems to be easier for the camera as well, to sort of see round if I'm doing it this way as opposed to that way. So I just thought I'll stick with this while it's... well, the setup is like this. Okay, so... that's in shot, I will go. So I'm going to put a little bit of tension on this. I don't know much about mushroom pin tumbler system type thing, but so it's 4 quid. 20 seconds was it? I don't know. Not long. Anyway, that's a shame. I wasn't holding out too much hope for it, to be perfectly honest, but I thought it might be a little bit more entertaining than that. Let's just make sure that it all works. Maybe the pins. Oh no, it is right. Okay, right. Well, there's not a lot more to say about that. That's a waste of 4 quid, but there we are. We'll keep going on to the next one. Subscribe. More videos to come. Much more in the pipeline. Yeah, take it easy. See you soon. Be good.